Folks, good morning. I'm back with my breakfast, my favorite arroz caldo. Go eat. Oh, and by the way, I have a hard-boiled egg here for my congee.
Folks, I'd like to welcome you on this family cruise vacation vlog series as we cruise the Western Mediterranean on board the beautiful Symphony of the Seas. Come along as we journey through 3 different countries, making stops in Barcelona and Palma de Mallorca, Spain, Provence, France, as well as cities and towns in Italy such as Lucca, Pisa, Rome, and Sorrento. Not only that, we're also going to experience some onboard activities, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll get an update as soon as I have uploaded a video. So, where are we off to now, Michelle?
A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to La Spezia, Italy. This is your captain, Captain Rick, speaking to you from the bridge. Symphony of the Seas. The gangway is located on deck 3 in the forward and aft parts of the ship.
As we start the first leg of our 3-day Italy adventure, we're taking a 78.5-kilometer bus ride to the town of Lucca. Lucca is a town in Tuscany's central Italy. It is best known for its impressive walls that surround the whole of Lucca. Built to protect the town, these walls, about 40 feet high, kept the people safe from war. Eventually, in the late 1800s, the walls have become open to the public and are now visited by many for recreational purposes. Within the walls of Lucca, you'll find restaurants and shops whose buildings were once residential houses and historical places. Here you'll also find churches whose architectural designs go as far back as the 13th century. The second part of this excursion is visiting one of Italy's famous landmarks, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The bell tower, one of the 3 buildings that make up the cathedral square, was constructed in 1173. The soft land foundation where the tower was built, along with some poor architectural design, made the tower sink and eventually tilt just a few layers in. The construction was also delayed due to the war. This was to the tower's advantage as it gave the ground some time to settle. Finally, the tower was completed in 1373. Since then, there have been numerous constructions to help stabilize the tower.
We're back! Hi! Folks, we are back here in the room, all dressed and ready to go for Caribbean night. This is my outfit for today. Can I show my sister's outfit here? There you go. All set, ready to go. Can I see your outfit? Really nice. Hi! Say hi! Outfit. Hi, Mom! start tomorrow in Rome, Italy, so we better make sure we have some enough rest. You look like a secret agent.